Hello everyone, welcome to Deliberate Parenting Hub with Dr. Cecilia Okorochukwu. I am a children doctor and a deliberate parent who wants to equip parents with proven parenting skills. Topic is stop investing only for your child. Do this instead. As parents, you have two key responsibilities when it comes to securing your child's future. Investing in your child means focusing on their education, character, and skill development. Investing for your child is securing their financial future through savings and investments. Investing in your child, personal growth and development. This is about equipping your child with the right skills, mindset, and opportunities to help them succeed in life. Education and skill development. Choose quality education over convenience. Consider schools that emphasize creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Invest in extracurricular activities such as sports, music too. Spend quality time with them to build a strong emotional connection. A confident and emotionally secure child is more likely to succeed. Exposure and real-world experience. Travel with them to expose them to different cultures and perspectives. Introduce them to entrepreneurship and volunteering to develop a problem-solving mindset. Investing for your child, financial security and future planning. While personal growth is essential, financial security is equally important. Education funds. Start saving early for their higher education through dedicated savings plans. Insurance and protection. Get life insurance to secure their future in case of unforeseen circumstances. A well-rounded child is one who is educated, emotionally strong, and financially secure. The best investment is a balance between providing them with knowledge, experiences, and a financial cushion for the future. The most important investment is to invest in your child. If you invest in him, you will keep the investments you have made for him. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.